when I was 16 years old, I popped a spot and it got infected and grew into an abscess. And within 3 days from popping it, I was in hospital, in resus, under every antibiotic I could have been under, and I had every symptom possible of sepsis. It must have been a bacteria or something that got inside of it, and within a couple of days it just grew into an abscess on my neck, and it was really painful to touch. It was really hot. I had a really high temperature. My heart rate was also very high. My blood pressure was very high. I was very lethargic. I was pretty much bedridden. I wasn't eating. After a couple of days, I was going to the doctors a few times and they were putting it down to flu-like symptoms, which understandable given every symptom I had was similar to the flu. So at the time I was 16, and I had a 3-week admission into hospital. Spent my 17th birthday in there, and in that time I had 2 surgeries on my neck. Yeah, at the time I was fit and healthy. I was always playing football, always going out with my mates, everything that a 16-year-old would do. And just to all of a sudden come down with sepsis and become as ill as I did, for my mum, my dad and my sister, it was pretty scary. And if you ever think that if it's sepsis, just ask, could it be sepsis?